It has been about 2 weeks since I've tried to open the box. It is still locked. You know, after editing the video, having some friends ask me if I ever opened it and having to tell them I haven't been tried again made me want to commit again. And so let's give it a go. We're gonna get it opened. I'm gonna be patient. There's still $100 in here. There's still the letter to my wife. So I'm just give it a go. I think I know the technique. I think I know the technique. No way. No way. Is there like one more stuck or something? You jiggly look! It's off. It's off. Hopefully I'm recording under 10 minutes. It's the first time I tried. I think it was over an hour. I don't remember. Go watch the video if you haven't. My goodness. But we did it. It's open. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Oh. It's still all here. The key. Look. That could have been a cheat code if I filmed it. My love letter. And my $100. Ooh. Zacarias. We win. We get these.